just after the junction. Flipped over to this. Oh, we need to know where the sound is coming from, so I have a feeling the sound is going to be coming from probably the microphone in my ear. Could be wrong. That's something I'm just going to have to check in the settings. That's a big problem, isn't it? Maybe it's even a dodgy thumb or two. Cool. Yeah. Oh, we got ourselves a water splash, baby. Where's it coming from? Oh yeah, coming right through that field. Yeah, that's awesome. As well. Massive lumps of wood, beautiful. Oh, I love driving and shit like this, man. I do. You got to get out and see it. It's amazing. It's right in front of you, man. Look at that. Look at how much water's coming out there. You'd even think like, what? Is that a best main? No, I think that's how much water's dropped. This is a horrible junction as well, man. Whoa. Yeah, go for it, go for it, go for it. You can go. Yeah, nice. Beautiful. Look at it all. Look, coming down the side, it's a big disco splashing. Nice. Disco splashing. farm. Fucking muddy on the farm. It is, man. Oh, it's good mud as well, like proper, like deep mud. Ah, proper mud. Not little bits around the edges, but proper mud. Look at this! Trees down, baby! Look at the size of that! Fuck! That's amazing! Look at the size. Let them past, yes. We want to look at this. Man, that's amazing. Nature's amazing. Boys will be coming out soon. Chop that all up, man. That's amazing. Wow. Fair dues! Fair dues! Aha! Oh, big water splash as well. Awesome. Yeah, nice one.
Smooth chill.
I've just sold the car, and it only took me 30 seconds to get a quote from We Buy Any Car.
You know what that means? You're getting a bigger car.
Oh, look at this! Look at this! Massive, massive. Yes. Steady away, baby. Steady away.
How much your car's worth in
Yeah, I love a water splash. You know, they shut a lot of places like Stamford and down. There's fjords where you go down and the river's coming down and stuff, and there's a little bit of bobbling and stuff. But they shut them down and makes it driving really boring. Really boring. Ooh, around all the whatever. Going through a ford. Brilliant. Man, that's what driving's all about, like those little moments. You get to go on them journeys through them fords. Brilliant. Catch you later.